The movie is starting! I forgot my 3D glasses! I know how to help! Your bangs can turn into 3D glasses! Thanks! Now the glasses won't slip down! My spinner is faster! No! Mine! Whoa! This spinner is clearly the coolest! I want this spinner hairstyle too! Hairstyle? Let's try it! Divide hair in 3 parts and tie them. Cut a spinner out of double-sided foam paper. Cut out holes. Attach a round piece to the center. Pass the hair through the holes. Braid in a hair donut to add volume and make a bun. Make 3 buns. A spinner hairstyle is done. Put your phone down. We're going to the movies. Yay! But first, we need to do your hair. Add pink synthetic hair. Pin the hair and some of the extensions to make a bun. Separate the synthetic hair into strands and brush it. Wrap around the bun to make it look like cotton candy. Go! The movie's waiting! Hello! We'd like some cotton candy. Thanks! I want this yummy cotton candy. Sure. Whoops! Sorry, we're out of cotton candy. Here's your money. What baking mold should I pick today? Oh, there's a lot here. Oh, sweetie, I am so sorry. This puppet hairstyle looks good on you. I want curls. Hang on. Hello? Hi. Yeah, I'm doing great. Betty is used to twisting something in her hands whenever she's on the phone. Bye. Whoa! What did I do? Thanks! That's exactly what I wanted! Mom! I really want a flower crown! Can you do my hair like that? We need flowers, but the weather is horrible! Good thing there are flowers on the windowsill! Ooh. It'll do! Do a reverse French braid and add flowers you have at home. Butterflies will fly over right away. Print different pictures of butterflies and cut them out. Glue on a bobby pin. Mom, do you see that? Mom, I want this hairstyle. Sure, sweetie. Hairstyle number 3? Yeah! Here you go! That's it? Of course not! You have to pay for the picture! This is unfair! I need more bright colors! Here! Painting is amazing! But your hair is covered in paint too! I know how to help you! Make 5 ponytails. Braid them. Painting is much easier with a new hairstyle and way more interesting. Whoa! A new painting technique. It's a masterpiece. Hello! My hair needs help. Rapunzel, unfortunately, we're closed. But why? Mom, I'll go hang out with my friends. Give me a key, please. Just don't lose it. Where's the key? I lost it. Mom, open up. Did you lose the key? Oh, honey. Oh, another key disappeared. Oh, really? This is the 3rd time. Again? Betty doesn't want to lose keys anymore. Attach the hair clips behind the ears. Attach 3 different chains to a ring. Connect them with a hair clip. Repeat on the other side. Attach the ring with chains to a key. Hang it on the longest chain. Now the key won't get lost for sure. The key is somewhere here, but it's so hard to reach. I got the key, but it's still hard to open the door. This book is very exciting, but my glasses keep falling. How do I fix it? I know! I'll put the hair in a ponytail and add hair extensions. And now, glasses! Wrap a glasses frame in hair extensions. Run the ends of the braids along the arms. Clip the ends of the braids and put them through the ponytail. Done! Now the glasses won't fall for sure. Thanks, Mom! You're welcome, sweetie! Time to wash up. But how do I take my glasses off? Mom!
The hairstylist is running late.
Good afternoon. Do you want a new hairstyle? I have an idea. A totally new look. It really suits you.
I love it. This is for you.
Mom, I'm going skating. I need a helmet. A helmet would be nice. I have an idea. Put hair in a ponytail and cover up the tie with a strand of hair. Add hair clips. Spray paint hair clips using different colors. Fasten them all over the head like a helmet. Bye, Mom!
Ah.
It doesn't hurt! The hair clip helmet is almost as good as the real thing. Hi! Please, do something with my hair. We can't make it longer. I know. I'll take your glasses off for a second. Look, you're beautiful.
Whoa.
You look completely different. Whoa, you're right. My new hair is stunning. See you next time, if you can find the way. Betty is doing dishes, but her hair keeps getting in her way. It's so annoying. Seriously. Mom's hairstyle reminds me of something. Put hair in a ponytail and make 3 braids. Put the bobbin on the braid. Cut 2 identical rings out of Styrofoam. Cut a hole in a cardboard tube. Glue the pieces. Paint it so it looks like wood. Sharpen a chopstick. Polish it. Make a hole with a milling cutter so it looks like a needle. Paint it silver. Put the rest of the braids in the hole. Wrap them around the bobbin. Insert the wooden needle. Pass the end of the braid through the needle. Mom, look! It's like your hair! Whoa! Awesome! Good afternoon! Are you here for a haircut?
Yeah, it's time.
Sorry! Whoops! Excuse me!
Enough! Stop it! Who works like that? I refuse to get a haircut here.
No! I refuse to give a haircut to such a heartless client! You offended a pregnant woman! That's it! I'm leaving!
Hey, can someone give me a haircut?
Did you like our video? Then comment below and tell us what hairstyle you liked the most. And don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell so you don't miss any hilarious new videos from Troom.